In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how much money any YouTube channel makes. So what you'll need to do is head over to an internet browser and type in the website socialblade.com. Now, this free tool gives you a deep dive into any channel on YouTube. So all you need to do is come over to the top right hand side here and type in the YouTube name. So for example, let's say we wanted to check how much Mr. Beast is making on YouTube. We can type in the username here and press enter. And then if you scroll down, we're going to get this detailed breakdown of the channel. So you can see Mr. Beast has a total of 841 videos, 343 million subscribers, almost 70 billion in total channel views. Now down here you can see how many views has been acquired over the last 30 days. So currently this channel is receiving 2.5 billion views every 30 days. And then over to the right we'll see this estimated monthly earnings. So basically this channel here is earning anything between 400,000 per month to 6.7 million pounds per month. Now obviously this is quite a big range, so I'm going to show you how we can narrow this down a little bit in a second. You can also see the estimated yearly earnings just below this, and usually what you'll find is the earnings are more towards this right number here as opposed to this left number. Now, let me show you how to narrow this number down a little bit more. So let's take another channel, for example. Let's type in Ninja and hit enter. This is another smaller YouTube channel. And then if we scroll down, once again, we've got our estimated monthly earnings. So if you scroll down a bit further, then what you're going to see is this daily view count. So you can see here is every day in the month, and these are the views acquired on that particular day. So you can see for this channel, it's getting roughly around 200,000 people per day. So what we can do now is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on YouTube Money Calculator, and you can either type in the username and press import username. If for some reason this button's not working, then what we can do is just type in the daily view count, so that's going to be 200,000 for this channel, and then you need to set the estimated CPM. Now CPM stands for revenue per 1,000 views, and on average on YouTube it's between $3 to $4. So you can set the slider here to $3 to $4 like this, and then you can see on the right hand side for this channel they're earning between $18,000 to $24,000 per month. Now like I said, this is only based on averages. The CPM could be either less or more than this. It depends really on the category of the YouTube channel. If a channel's talking about finance and money, then this RPM is typically going to be a lot higher, probably more towards the $10 to $20 range. But if it's a games channel, for example, then you may find this CPM actually a lot lower than this. So if you're not sure about a CPM for a channel, you can always click on YouTube and just type in average RPM for the industry. So for example, the average RPM for tech YouTube in 2024 was $3, and this is going to give you a better estimate of exactly how much a channel is making. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.